What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix launch failed Epic Games Launcher or LS-0013 error code and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one, just go over here, start for or search for task manager and click on this one. And right now we need to expand this and we need to check if you find over here, if you find anything named or whatever. If you're currently not using anything, just remove everything. For example, I'm not using the disk code, so I have to right click on this one, go for end the task. Similarly, you have to do everything for everything should be done over here, because if you're not using any currently app which is running over here in the background, just remove everything. Once everything is successfully removed, we just need to close this and we need to move to the next one. That is all about, we need to press Windows and R key. So you'll be getting this particular one. So you have to type %local app data % and go for OK. And right now we need to get into the game named Epic Games. So just get into the Epic Games Launcher. So get into this one and right now navigate to save it. And right now you can see there is a folder named webcache_443. We need to change this one. We need to rename it. Just rename this particular folder. So you can just rename this particular folder over here. Just rename it like, you can give whatever the name that you wanted to. For example, the webcache4430, you can give repair or whatever. You can give whatever that you wanted to. Just make sure it is renamed. And now we need to close this and make sure when you're renaming this, if the Epic Games is running in the background, you should be closing it as well. Now once afterward, just go over here, search for the settings and click on this one. Directly navigate to Windows Update. Make sure the Windows is up to date. So if you're having any kind of cumulative updates and all those things, just make sure the Windows is up to date. And once you update it, we can just close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the Epic Games over here. If you find the Epic Games over here in the desktop, right click on this one, go to show more options, properties, go for compatibility. And right now we need to click on run this program as an administrator and also click on disable full screen optimization as well. Both should be created. And now we need to go for apply and go for OK, and that's what we have to try. Next one is all about, we just need to go over here, find the Epic Games Launcher, or you can just search for the Epic Games Launcher like this. Get into the Epic Games Launcher, go for yes. And right now, once the Epic Games Launcher is successfully launched, what we need to do is, for example, if you're having the Fortnite within the game, within the Epic Games Launcher, the first and foremost step is all about, once you launch the Epic Games, which is going to take a little bit of time. So once after it is successfully done, what we need to do is, we just need to go over here and we need to make few changes. Now from here, navigate to the library and you have to check which is the game is having an issue with right now. For example, you might be having the trouble with the Fortnite. So if the Fortnite is having the trouble, click on the 3-dot menu and right now we need to go over here and we'll be having options. Just click on the options, not this one. Just close this, click on the Fortnite, just go over here at the top, click on 3-dot menu. And right now what we need, just click on the manage, and if you find anything named verify game file, just click on this one, and we're just going to verify the game file as well. And also what we need to do is, we just need to go over here, make sure you should be repairing the game file as well. That's also very important, because sometimes, like I said, if you're going through any kind of issue, these kind of issues pop up. So make sure that the verify integrity of game file is done, so that we'll be doing all the cross-checking on your system. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.